New profit sharing ratio. When new partner is admitted in the firm, then he gets his share of profit from the existing partners. In the other words, we can say that when a new partner is admitted into the firm, then the old partners have to sacrifice their share of profit to adjust new partner. But the share of the new partner is decided by the existing partners amongst themselves. If there is nothing specified as the share of the new partner, then it is assumed that he will get the share in their profit sharing ratio. While admission of a new partner, the profit sharing ratio between the old partners will change, keeping in mind their respective contribution to the profit sharing ratio of the incoming partner. For example, Amit and Anil are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted Suneet as a new partner for 1/5 share in the future profits of the firm. Calculate new profit sharing ratio of Amit, Anil and Suneet. Sacrificing ratio. The ratio in which the old partners are ready to sacrifice their share of profit in favor of the incoming partner is called sacrificing ratio. The new partner is required to compensate the old partners for their loss of share in the super profits of the firm, for which he brings in an additional amount known as premium or goodwill.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.